Well, Mr. Lovegreen, I bought my weed whacker. But let me show you what the people at the Walmart gave me for free. Oh, yeah. Haha, painted my bumper right here, nice yellow. Looks good. We're going to take you on a ride, Andrew. We're going to show you where your push mower went. Painted my operator station. Let's get a cold start of this hobo. Choke. Brake. Oh. Oh, it doesn't like choke, obviously. Here. That's all it needed. Was to be taken off choke. Disengage the brake. Oh, shit. Yeah, hydro. Alright. But really, let's go show you where your lawnmower is. Well, Mr. Lovegreen. Yeah, spin them tires. That tire has a hole in it. Well, over here in the woods, we can find your lawnmower. There's Mr. Lawnmower. It's looking good. Oh, look at that big strap. She's a beauty. Got a good spark plug in it. There's your lawnmower, Andrew. Oh, the pull starter came off. Uh-oh. All right, well, we're going to have to get rid of it. Oh, let's just drive on it. Yeah. All right, let's get out of this woods. Ugh. Get the fuck out of my... Oh, yeah. What's that? Damn it! The damn lawnmower is in my way. Ugh! Get the hell out of my way, you stupid piece of shit. And I think the belt's burning. I think the transmission belt is burning. Oh well. Just buy a new one. Oh shit, spinning tire. Oh shit. Spinning. Oh well, just gotta go down the hill. We have to go ditch your lawnmower again, Andrew. There's my new flower. Oh, don't hit my weed whacker. Sweet. No shoes. Alright, well, we're gonna tow your lawnmower with this chain that I found in the woods. Yeah, hydro. Let's go, baby. You stupid ass bird. I'm gonna kill you. Let's tow this bitch. Hold on while I hook it up. it goes. Let's go! Yeah, baby. Let's go, baby. Bring that lawnmower with us. Yeah. You're torturing your mower there, Andrew. Oh, right through the mud. Oh! Right through the mud. And I'm spinning too. Ugh. Let's go, bitch! Oh, right there on that contact thing. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, what do we do? I'm gonna back up. Shit. Your lawnmower is a piece of shit, Andrew. Oh. Piece of worthless. Oh shit, there goes the cover to the Comcast thing. That's the way it looked, right? Alright, let's take this thing for a ride. Fuck! Damn it! Hold on. Let's get this piece of shit out. Man, this thing is a piece of shit. Ugh. Dumbass. Looking good? It's my mini plow. Here's another part of it. Now we're going to turn around. No, that changed. Oh no, let's go as fast as we possibly can. Oh no! Yeah, Andrew, your lawnmower's in real good hands. Taking care of it. Looking good. Ah, yeah, that thing is beautiful. On the road, oh no, a bloom cart. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oops. Yeah. Oh, wow. There's part of a tree wrapped up in that thing. All right, Andrew. Take it for one more last spin. Oh, shit. Right in the woods. Oh, hell. So, Andrew, you gave your thing to somebody who knows how to take care of it. Thanks for watching.